Hi everyone. Today's topic is going to be a rather important one about our garage doors to share with our homeowners so they understand what the red screws mean for door application so that they don't mess with them. Red in normal life means danger, so that's why we're showing you this film. So the springs, which are under a lot of tension, it's actually picking up the door, have the red set screw for the winding cone, which is under a lot of pressure. They're red so that the homeowner does not touch it. On some of the spring applications, there should be a orange tag on the end of the spring where the mounting plate is, which this is the mounting plate that connects to the end of the spring. You can see those lag bolts are red, so those do not get taken off of the wall due to the spring being under tension connected to this plate so no one gets hurt. The other part of the spring system mechanism is a coupler which puts together two shafts so that you can adjust it. They too have the red mounting anchor screws not to loosen because everything is under tension, that this spring is picking up the dead weight of the door. Very, very important. Do not loosen any of the red screws. So that being said, with a normal sectional setup, these are the clamping holding brackets for a little roll-up door. They too, this is the stationary clamp, red screws. The shaft that goes through the barrel assembly is under tension. Do not loosen. Also, the clamping mechanism that holds the shaft in place, it's got little gnarls that clamp down on the shaft. That screw locks it in place, is under tension. Do not take loose. Back to the sectional door, the springs have cables that hook to the bottom fixture that come up and wrap around the drums. The drums are connected to the shaft holding the springs. Those are under some serious tension. Red. Do not loosen. Different size drums for different size doors. Also red. Do not loosen. The most important, the critical ones, are the bottom fixtures at the bottom of a sectional door. The cables connect to here. The aircraft cable goes up to the drum, which is connected to the shaft with the springs. Screws mounting these brackets to the door are under immense tension from the spring system. These screws are never to be taken apart while the springs are under tension. All of this, anything red, danger, do not remove. That's just a safety tip from us today and our dealers and homeowners. Thank you. Here's the application I was just mentioning about the bottom fixtures. All the screws are red. Do not remove. On the back side is the cable that runs up to the top of the door with the springs that are, everything is under tension. So this is the part. If you were to take these off, when you take that last bolt out to remove it, this bracket's going to flip up, hit you in the face or some body part. Very, very dangerous. So do not take anything with a red screw loose. Thank you.